Yo, good morning everybody. Welcome back to a brand new video. I just want to say yesterday's video, I had so much fun just working with the homies on the car. It brought me back to when we were doing that in like 2015, 2016, maybe even longer than that, to be honest. But we've just been so busy and we haven't really been doing a lot of the projects on our own. A lot of the things that we do nowadays, it's just easier to, you know, drop the car off. We don't really have too much space to work with, and more importantly, we don't really have a lot of time to be doing stuff like that. But yesterday we set aside a little bit of time and it was a fun day. I had a lot of fun doing that. In today's video, I'm gonna be dropping off the Tesla for some wrap. What I want you guys to do right now is drop a comment down below and let me know what color you think I'm doing. Last time we went crazy. Let me know what you think the color is in the comment section down below. Right now we're at the superchargers because I don't want this car to die when they're wrapping it, so I'm trying to charge it up as much as I can. I'm gonna leave it like that, and if it starts getting low, then we'll figure it out. I don't want this to die inside the shop because I don't have the little plug-in charger thing. It didn't come with my car. But other than that, right now I'm looking at different suspensions. Now at first I wanted to go with air, but air is just so expensive right now and I'm not trying to drop that much, especially because it's tax season, so it wouldn't be a smart move for me to drop like 4K right now on some air suspension. But what we can do in the meantime is we could drop this car on some coilovers. Now I'm debating between Megan or BC coils. BCs are a little bit more expensive than the Megans, and I've ran Megans before on my IS and my LS, but I'm leaning a little more towards BCs. If y'all have any suggestions or anything, just drop it in the comment section down below or DM me on Instagram at sneakerheadinthebay. I'm gonna be chilling here for a little bit, waiting for the car to just charge up, and then we can go ahead and go to the shop.
A few moments later.
All right, you guys, we are dropping off the Tesla right now at RG. He's going to be doing all of the wrap work on the Model 3. So this is the last time you guys are gonna see it this color right here. I'm gonna take a look at the vinyl color that we're doing. So the next clips are gonna be black and white. But again, you guys have to guess the color in the comment section down below. All right, this is it right here. This is my first time seeing it in person.
Super sick.
Dude, this is nice. Have you wrapped one this color yet?
No, I haven't.
Okay,
I've worked
for
with
sure.
the brand. The brand is super nice. It's one of my favorite brands.
Yeah.
We have it on a lot of our vehicles. We have this R35 on this one. I think we have that G35 that's on top of there too in a Nosatech. But honestly, they're super gloss, super pearlescent. This is my favorite series because it has a little bit of pearl in it too.
Yeah, this is gonna look nice.
I don't want to say what color.
Yeah, exactly. It's black and white for them right now.
Super gloss, which is dope. It's really nice. You're gonna like it, dude.
See, I bet in the sun it's gonna look a little different too,
100%.
right?
We can take it out right now too if you want.
This looks nice. I was afraid at first. I thought it would be a little too bright.
Got you.
But this is perfect color right here.
It's not bad, dude. Oh yeah. I like it. It's one of my favorite. I was actually planning on doing this color a long time ago.
Hello. Hey, Daddy. I've never had a Nosatech before. This is gonna be first time.
First time?
Yeah.
Dope. I'm glad to be that one to pop it for you.
Hell yeah.
You're actually one of the he's one of the first ones to even train with a Nosatech.
Oh really?
Yeah, in the Bay Area.
When they
first came out.
They were doing training for a while, and actually they hadn't done training before in LA, and they were trying to see if it's worth it because the film's a little bit hard to work with compared to.
I heard that. Yeah.
100%.
Yeah.
And so they traded. I think it was up here in Newark or Fremont, one of these, and they reached out to a lot of shops out here. And one of the shops was really cool with me. He's actually one of the guys that was training me.
Yeah.
And he was like, "Hey, you're down to train for Nosatech. It's free." And I was like, "Hell yeah!"
Yeah, why not, dude? Why not?
Can you probably train with them?
Super expensive down in LA,
Insane.
but
Crazy.
100% recommend. Let's go look at my car.
Yep.
So one thing about a Nosatech, it's a really difficult film to work with just because it's a little bit thicker, a little more staticky. But the best thing is that it has a lot of gloss.
Oh, this is your car?
This is mine.
Oh my god.
Yeah, this is my
dude, this
baby.
is crazy.
Yeah, it's a crazy color shift. They released this color in SEMA, I think 2020. This is Alex Choice color.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Super staticky, and obviously we try to have good prep, so we avoid it like dust and all that stuff that's really common in wraps and stuff like that. Nosatech is like known for being super staticky, so we try to work around that as much as possible. If I'm being straight up and honest, I think I only got like 3 or 4 dusts in this car.
Okay.
You know, which is pretty cool.
Yeah.
I know a lot of people don't like to say that, but I just like to say it, you know, because sometimes as a solo installer, it's really hard to take control of everything, but we still make sure that it looks good. You know?
Yeah,
People
for
can
sure.
Zoom in, you can check the corners and everything. Everything's really nice. We like getting that nice coverage, a nice little door jam coverage, so you don't see a lot of the color and stuff like that. But yeah,
This looks really good.
Yeah.
This looks super good.
yeah. But one thing I know I do to a Nosatech wraps, I didn't tell you, but I mean, we were gonna gift you a free ceramic coating on the wrap. So hopefully that helps.
Shit.
You know, the only thing is that if you're gonna put something on it, recommend we do it before, because just like ceramic coating, when you put a coating or graphene, nothing sticks to it. So we recommend we do that before we put the coating on it and stuff like that. If you're gonna put any decals or any special stickers. And
Right. Yeah, for sure.
Obviously, something under the wrap. I know Premium did that for you. They did like some little logos and stuff like that.
Yeah.
We can do that before, but yeah.
Yeah, we'll keep it simple this time.
Yeah,
keep it nice, easy,
clean and stuff, right? That's the main thing we want. We want you to have no trouble when you're cleaning it and maintaining it and stuff.
For sure.
Like this one, everything's beating on it.
Yeah, I was about to say. You can see like all of it right here. Crazy. Dude, this is nice.
It's an Infinity Q60.
Yeah.
The 2017 model. And it has a custom body kit. It has a front bumper that's aftermarket. It's from the Project Black body kit.
CMST?
Yep, CMST. We have the rear bumper as well, and the side skirts.
Oh, shit.
Yeah. Center exit exhaust, because usually it comes out to the side.
Yeah. Oh my god.
It's insane. So we got some new wheels coming for it too.
I really like this color.
It's crazy, huh?
Yeah. Fitment check. Beautiful.
Dude, I can go lift the fender, but it's just scary.
Yeah. You don't want to mess it up.
Yeah, exactly.
This is clean though.
Yeah,
woo.
Oh, there's a Honda engine in there.
Dude, it's hella clean.
100%. Dude, he has another one that he just took. There's a orange carbon fiber hood that's gonna go for this one. That's gonna go on this one. But he has one with like an LS on it, on another one, fully built, like structure-wise. Literally, the shell is just a shell of 510, slammed into like a custom full thing for it, bro. It's insane. I think it's quick.
Whoa.
But this one, a little different.
All right, so you guys already know the brand that we went with. It's one of these colors right here. Which one is it though? Is this clear?
Is that one? Yeah, that's the one.
It's this one. Damn, there's a lot of colors.
Or is it this one?
Whoa, it might be that one. Wait, it might be the color shifting one.
Oh shit, check it out.
Ooh.
Hey, very good, very good, man, very good.
Cancelled.
I get my rid of.
Hey, wrong color. It's actually his print.
Oh, tiny bot.
We got hella buff. We got hella loose.
Oh, this is like the S2K color.
Hey, the girl, yeah. Which color? Hey, can you guys guess the color?
We're in the Costco trenches right now. Parking lot going crazy. But we're gonna look for a scooter for Omar, because I just picked mine up and we need a scooter together. So
I'm gonna start door dashing, so I'm get a scooter for myself so I can start doing Uber and DoorDash.
It's a business expense.
Yeah, it's a write-off.
Yeah, that's what they say. So we're gonna see what they have. This is what we're working with right now. The Bugatti scooter. Never mind.
Alright, I'm gonna head out.
Okay, so it's lunchtime right now. I'm about to eat, what is this place called? Fremont Afghan Kebab. It's gonna be my first Afghan meal.
This is bolani. It's basically potato and bread, I guess. I'm not Afghan, by the way, so I might be a little uncultured, but it's hella good.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Alright.
Very nice.
I eat here every single day. I need a sponsorship.
We got a little bit of lamb action. We got a little bit of chicken right here. I think, what is this?
Chickpeas.
Oh, chickpeas.
Mm-hmm.
And
some grass.
Some, rabbit food. Yummy. Let's dig in.
Let's go.
We got dessert on the house. What is this?
Baklava.
Baklava.
There you go.
Let's try this out. It looks like it's gonna be kind of messy. So, are you done with this?
Yeah, we're gonna do this one.
Your boy loves dessert. Can't go wrong with sweet. I don't even know how to explain this.
Me either. But all your brown boys know.
Shout out to all the Afghan viewers.
Hella people love these.
All right, everyone. I think I'm just gonna end the video right here because I got 2 videos to edit. I also have to clean the apartment. Today is Sunday, so I like to use these days to just get everything organized and ready for the week. But appreciate y'all as always for watching these videos. I'm super excited to show you guys how the car looks after it's wrapped, but I will be doing progress videos and all that along the way. They are gonna be black and white, unfortunately, but I gotta build up the anticipation. Suspension should be coming soon, and if you guys wanna support the channel, don't forget to check out my website, shopsoultopia.com. That has all my goods on there. You got shoes, custom goods, sneaker cleaners, shoelaces, everything I got on my website. So make sure you check that out. The link will be down below. But I'll catch you guys very soon for the next one. It's your boy Sneakerhead in the Bay. I'm out. Peace. Shoo.